Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am very excited because today I'm here to share with you a swap I did with Amy Love in her Facebook group. And I will put the link to Amy's Facebook group down below in the description box for you guys if you're not already a member. She's doing swaps again in her group, and they're always great swaps. So anyway, as it turned out, Amy ended up as my partner. Which is great because we haven't done a swap with each other for a long time. So I was very excited to do this. And the swap was for a fabric clutch and a tag. So that's what's in this beautiful package that I got from Amy, and I have opened it, but I have not peeked. So let me pull it out of the package. I'm very excited. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Amy. Oh my goodness. Which way is up? Which way is up? Which way is up? This way. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Amy, it's so pretty. Let me get rid of the bag here. So there's nothing else in there. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Look at this tag she made, you guys. Oh my gosh, so pretty, Amy. It's beautiful. Wow. Look at this beaded applique here. And some beautiful trim. Oh my gosh, everything is hand sewn. Amy loves to hand sew. So everything on here has been hand sewed. The beads, all the little pearls. I think she might have glued the bling. Yeah, she glued the bling, but everything else is hand sewn. Oh, it's so pretty, Amy, and she's got another little bulb pin. So let me just remove that so we can see it on its own. Okay, so there is the tag. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my gosh, Amy, all your beautiful hand sewing. I love it. Thank you so much. That's gorgeous. And then this is the clutch that she made. And it's with some gorgeous laces. Look at, there's beautiful appliques here and some beautiful Alison lace with sequins. And then she's got some ribbon roses here. Some more gorgeous lace. And it looks like everything on here is hand sewn as well. Girl, I did not hand sew mine. I'm just saying. Oh, it's beautiful. And then on the front, she's used some eyelet, I think, for the base. And then on the front, she's got this pretty pink dangle here. And some beautiful little ribbon roses and sparkly bits and gorgeous laces. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So, so pretty. And there's the inside. Oh, look at all these beautiful laces she used. That almost looks like a doily piece there. And then another crocheted piece along here. But look, everything is hand sewn. Oh my gosh. And she filled it with goodies. Yay. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. You guys, look at this. Sorry for the crinkling. It's a beautiful crown. Oh my gosh, Amy, I love this. Look at this. It's really big. Look at the size of that. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Thank you so much, Amy. It has fleur-de-lis on it too. Beautiful pearls. I think I have an idea to use that in a project too. Oh, I love that. Thank you so much, Amy. Oh my goodness. So let me pull everything out. Oh, I dropped something. So here again is the clutch. Just a little piece of fuzz there. There's the beautiful clutch that she made. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at all the sparkle. It's just beautiful. And beautifully hand sewn. Oh my gosh, I love it. Thank you so much. I'll put that right there. And then she filled it with goodies, and you saw the crown and the tag. So this, oh look, I love you, man. Ah, that's our little saying that we say to each other is I love you, man. And it has two little besties in there. Amy, don't make me cry, girl. And it has one of the little flowers from my shop and the beautiful crowns. And then the little bling from my shop. I love how you altered this frame. Yeah, she painted it. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm going to put that right on my shelf in front of my desk. That's what I'm going to do. Where can I put that? Right there. And then there's another little pouch here with some beautiful blue seam binding on it. I love that color. Thank you. And then this is another little, look at this pretty fabric. Okay, I love this fabric. And there's something inside. Oh my gosh, Amy, you did not. You did not. Oh my gosh, look at the bling. Oh my goodness, look at. I think I'll be wearing that rather than using that for a craft project. Look at how gorgeous that is. And it's in blue, which is my favorite color. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at how sparkly that is. Wow, girl. Oh, and she sent me a bunch of bling. Look. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I am so low on bling, it's not even funny. Look at that. It's very dimensional too. The pearls kind of stick up. I love it. Oh my gosh, Amy. You're spoiling me, girl. And then there's this piece, which is amazing. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's so sparkly and pretty. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Amy. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, and there's more of this. There's two pieces of this. Well, hey, that's awesome. Thank you. I am so low on bling in my personal stash. Like, yeah, this is amazing. Thank you. And there's a little earring here. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know if the camera's going to be able to pick that up. Oh, maybe it will. It's got a couple, a Victorian couple. There we go. Very pretty. Thank you so much, Amy. And a pretty little pouch. Oh, there's two earrings in here, I think. Yep, there's the other one. Oh, thank you. Those will make like gorgeous flower centers. They're beautiful. Thank you so much, Amy. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. And it looks like she hooked me up with some lace. Wow, girl. Oh, and this is very vintage lace. Look at this. It's beautiful. Thank you, Amy. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Love. Love, love, love. Oh, look at this. Look at this. In my favorite color too, ecru. I love ecru laces. Oh, that's beautiful, and it's so soft. That is some real vintage right there. Oh, Amy, that's gorgeous. Thank you so much. I hope you like what I sent you. Oh, this is beautiful too. Look at this. Oh, I love it. I'm going to be hoarding these for a while before I use them. But you could cut these individual flowers out, but oh my goodness, I'm going to have to hoard these for a little while, I think. For sure. Oh my gosh. And here's some vintage eyelet, which who doesn't love that? Absolutely gorgeous. Oh, and some more very, very pretty ecru trim. Oh, I love it. Which way is, oh, this must be the right way. Yep, that's the right way. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, it's beautiful. She knows what colors I like. She knows I'm a vintage girl. And there's a little handle. Look at this. Now, I think I know what I want to use that on too. I have a project in mind for this too. So this is all very inspiring to me. So thank you for that, Amy. Oh my goodness. And here is some handmade lace. Oh, it's handmade. Look at, there's the, which end had it? Yeah, the string is still on it. But look at how beautiful that is. And it's so incredibly soft. Definitely got age to that for sure. Wow. The stitching is so fine on there. The camera probably won't pick that up, but you can see how fine that stitching is in there. It's just beautiful. Oh, tatting, tatting, tatting. Yay for tatting. Who doesn't love some tatting? Oh my gosh, and you gave me a lot of it. Thank you. I'm going to be afraid to use some of this stuff, girl. And then there's a doily, which I love some doilies. And I like this kind of doily because you can use these for dangles. If you cut it a certain way, you could cut the center out and then use the bottom part here for a dangle. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you, Amy. It feels so soft too. There's a little bag here, but I'll show you this stuff first. And this is a napkin, which, look at this. And it's got the butterfly on it. She knows I love butterflies. That's really pretty. Thank you for that, Amy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Amy, this is stunning. This is all tatted. Look at this. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. I don't think I'll be cutting that up. Oh my goodness. Amy, that's beautiful. Aw. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. And oh my goodness, look at this. I love these doilies. Little pieces of material, and then they're all hand crocheted around them. Look at that. I mean, wouldn't this make the cutest little doily book? If you cut those up and folded it, you could make the tiniest and cutest little doily book. I might do that. We'll see. I don't know if I want to cut it. Again, I'm going to have to hoard everything for a while. And then there's a little baggie with some very old laces in it, I think. Oh my gosh, yes, these are super old. There's a tiny little pin in there, so let me just put that there. Oh my gosh, this is so fine. Look at this. And it almost feels like nothing because it's so thin and so fine, but it's super soft at the same time. My gosh, that is beautiful. That is antique lace for sure. Oh my gosh, Amy, that's amazing. I'm never going to want to use any of this stuff, girl. And then there's this one here, which is, where's the little pin? There it is. Oh, this is beautiful too. This is like knotted filet. Oh, come on, camera, focus. There we go. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, nobody makes things like this anymore. I think some of these are going in the hoard vault, girl. Oh, they're gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I cannot thank you enough for doing this swap with me, Amy. I love everything. It's beautiful. I love my pouch. All this amazing bling. My little bestie frame. So cute. And look at all this bling. Oh, it's just amazing. Bling, bling, bling. And the gorgeous crown. And my beautiful tag. Everything is amazing. Thank you so much, Amy, for everything. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you, and I appreciate our friendship, and I love you, man. I love you, man. Thank you, and thank you guys for watching, and I will be back with another video soon, and I hope you're all having a great week. Take care.